In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the brightness on a Windows 10 desktop. Now, unfortunately, we cannot just do this directly through the settings. What we need to do is we need to go ahead and first of all, locate the buttons on our monitor. So if you have a desktop, then you should have a monitor, and the monitor will have buttons. Now, typically these buttons will be like on the side of the monitor right here, or sometimes they are underneath right here. But the aim of the game is that we need to go ahead and access our monitor menu, and then from that menu, we can go ahead and adjust the brightness on our desktop. So let's go ahead and do it for this monitor right over here. So for me, the buttons are right over here. Now it will be slightly different depending on what monitor you have, but the principle is still the same thing. So you just want to go ahead and access your monitor menu like so. So yep, here's mine, and all you want to do is you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see something that does say display. And then up here, we will now get an option that says brightness. So all you want to do is you want to go ahead and press on that. And then from here, you go ahead and just adjust your brightness by just going up or down. It really is up to you. And you can even do it to the exact percentage. So yeah, you guys can go ahead and just adjust it to your liking. There's also some other settings that you guys could configure, and that is completely up to you. But it's really that simple. It is really that simple. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.